Hello, friends! Today we will draw and color the umbrella. I will start drawing the top of the umbrella. I'll add some details. I'll draw some lines and circles. Let's color the top of the umbrella with dark green. I will color the small circles with darker green also. I will color the top of the umbrella with yellow. I will color the middle of the umbrella with red. It looks shiny. I will use the purple color for the middle of the umbrella. I will color the bottom of the umbrella with blue. I will color the umbrella's handle with orange and dark green. Good job, friends! You could draw and color the umbrella with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more.